Welcome back to Tech Life with Joanne. In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you some of the highest paying non-tech roles in tech. Don't forget these are national averages, so they will vary based on where you live. First up, we have project manager. That's coming in at $107K a year. Now, to be a project manager, you need to be able to work cross-functionally with different teams, and you need to have good leadership skills and see a project through from start to finish. So definitely, if you have project management skills, go ahead and apply. Next is product marketing. That is $118K a year. And to do good in product marketing, you need to have a good marketing background and you need to be able to position a product to sell. So a product marketer does the branding and the positioning in the market for the company. Tech recruiter is $90K a year, and you can have a background in human resources or communications, but you need to be good with connecting people with potential employers. Social media marketing is $70K a year, and you need to be great with marketing and growing a company's social media. Last is UX UI designer at $95K a year. This is sometimes one position or two positions depending on the company. So you need to have a really strong design background. You need to understand how the user is going to be using your product. You need to be good with problem solving, and you need to be awesome with being able to understand the data and analyze how every user is interacting with the product. So you'll be designing the interface, the look and the feel of the product for the company that you work for. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave a comment if you need anything, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everybody.